So this is Viking 25, not 24, 42. And what we've got going on here is just some basic stuff. A couple of glass repairs. These are actually wet earlier, and I just decided not to do them right away. But everything up forward is glassed, and it's got a patch of peel ply on it, and that's pretty much what I come up here to check on. These are all looking pretty good. Alright, so that's all the stanchion pieces of glass, stanchion repairs, glass. So next step would be to grind or sand those about a bit fair, and add some filler. We have some epoxy filler. I'm going to add to that, and then epoxy primer and some all grip to match this. So if you are interested in seeing the rest of those repairs, go ahead and give this a like, and subscribe down below, up top, wherever that's at, and you'll get notifications. I'm also going to have these repairs done, and there's actually a couple more. Where is that? Oh yeah, I gotta fix this boot, which is mostly done already, and I've got this going on. Ground this out, throw a little bit of fairing in there. I'm gonna glass over that, fair that out, same process, and touch up the all grip, bottom paint. So I don't know, again, if you're seeing this, go ahead, subscribe. You'll get notifications of this and other projects as they move along. And like this photo. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Like this video.